Hi there, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the DS-A5 and Airplay. I'm going to be concentrating on how to physically connect and set up the unit, and then how to actually use the Airplay. As you can see on screen, the two prominent things you'll see with the DS-A5 is the multi-connector for the Apple device and a large aerial at the side. Now this will actually allow you to connect to a wireless network, or alternatively you can use the Ethernet port on the back. For this video, I'm going to be using the TX-NR616. The DS-A5 isn't fussy, so you can use any AV receiver, amplifier, and any brand, and it will work just as well. Now we've got two ways of connecting the audio of the DS-A5 to the relevant amplifier. The first way is to run optically directly out of the back of the DS-A5. This will send a digital signal which originates from the actual iPod, iPhone, iPad, and then that will connect it directly to the digital input on your amplifier. Or the other option is to actually use the analog out left and right from the DS-A5 and plug that into your amplifier. But I would actually recommend going for the optical output, because then you're keeping the digital integrity of the signal as long as possible, unless you're running into an analog only amplifier, then in which case connecting via the analog outputs is the only way to go. Now setting up the wireless connection is much easier than you would expect. All you need to do is plug in your iPhone or iPad into the dock, and you'll see a green flashing status light in the bottom right hand corner. Now that is telling you that it's ready to go, but it's not yet connected or set up. But all you need to do is to pick up the provided remote control that comes with the DS-A5 and press and hold the enter button for 5 seconds. Then you'll be asked on screen whether you want to share the settings of your Apple device with the DS-A5, and once you've allowed it, it then sets up for the Airplay network. As you can see here, I've got my iPhone off the dock. I've now pressed the Airplay button. I've got a couple of options of what I can actually connect to. I'll select the DS-A5 and there we go. We're now connected wirelessly via Airplay back to the dock, which is then connected to your amplifier. And you're ready to go and listen to your music wirelessly. And it's the same for the rest of the Apple devices. Now it's actually been set up once and the settings have been transferred, all of the iDevices will now communicate via Airplay. So I'm going up to the Airplay button on my iPad, selecting the DS-A5, and I can now stream directly from my iPad to the DS-A5. It's as simple as that. And we mustn't forget that the dock will actually charge the iPads, iPhone and iPods while it's actually sitting on the dock. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.